In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a frame in Figma. Frames are the foundation of your designs in Figma. Think of them as smart containers. They define the boundaries of a screen or section. Help you keep layers tidy and make exporting and prototyping straightforward. Whether you are laying out a mobile screen, a web page, or organizing elements on a canvas, frames give your work structure and clarity. Let's start with the most direct way to create one. Go to the top left corner of Figma and select the Frame tool, the icon that looks like a hash. If you prefer shortcuts, press the F key to activate it instantly. Now click and drag on the canvas to draw your frame to the size you want. As you drag, you'll see the dimensions update, which helps you hit specific sizes. Don't worry about getting it perfect right away. Once the frame is placed, you can grab any edge or corner to fine-tune the width and height with precise control. If you already know the type of device you are designing for, presets make setup even faster. With the Frame tool still active, look to the right-hand Properties panel. There, you'll find standard sizes for phones, tablets, and desktops. Click a preset like a common phone or desktop dimension, and Figma will drop a frame with the exact measurements used by that device category. Presets are a reliable starting point for consistent sizing, especially when you are designing multiple screens in the same flow. Sometimes you've already placed elements on the canvas and simply want to organize them inside a frame. To wrap existing content, select the layers or shapes you want to contain. Then, on Windows, press Ctrl+Alt+G. Figma will create a new frame that holds your selection without changing their positions. This is a quick way to gather scattered items into a single, movable container so you can manage layout, add backgrounds, or export that section as one asset. Finally, keep your project organized by renaming your frames. Double-click the frame name either directly on the canvas label or in the Layers panel, and type a clear descriptive name. Use titles like home screen, header, or content section so you and your collaborators can navigate the file quickly as your design grows. That's it. Thanks for watching.